What defines the future of luxury? Is it raw, untamed power? Is it groundbreaking technology that anticipates your every move? Or is it a design so bold it challenges the very definition of a sedan? Today, we're not just looking at a car. We're looking at a statement. This is the BYD Yanhuang U7. From the mind of legendary designer Wolfgang Egger comes a vehicle that looks like it's moving even when standing still. With a drag coefficient of just 0.195, the U7 is one of the most aerodynamic production sedans ever built. Every curve, every line, is sculpted by the wind for maximum efficiency and breathtaking beauty. It's long, low, and wide, with a presence that commands attention. But the U7's true revolution lies beneath the skin. It's built on BYD's E-platform, powered by the incredible Yanhuang technology. This isn't just one electric motor, or even two. The U7 has four independent electric motors, one for each wheel. What does that mean in the real world? It means a combined output of nearly 1,300 horsepower. It means a staggering 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.9 seconds. This isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a Ford or supercar with a top speed of 270 kilometers per hour. It's a level of performance that leaves its German rivals in the dust. Yanhuang offers two distinct paths to this incredible performance. The all-electric model boasts a massive 135.5 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering a CLTC-rated range of up to 720 kilometers on a single charge. For those who desire ultimate flexibility, the plug-in hybrid version combines the same quad-motor setup with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. This gives you an all-electric range of 200 kilometers for daily driving and a total combined range exceeding 1,000 kilometers for epic road trips. The quad-motor setup isn't just for straight-line speed, it allows for unprecedented agility. The U7 has a turning radius of just 4.85 meters, a feat unheard of for a car over 5 meters long. It can perform a tank turn, spinning on its own axis, and offers a level of control and safety that is simply unmatched. This intelligence extends to its autonomous capabilities. The U7 is equipped with an arsenal of sensors, 3 LiDAR units, 5mm wave radars, and 13 high-definition cameras. All of this data is processed by 2 powerful NVIDIA chips, enabling advanced level-to-plus driver assistance and sophisticated automated parking functions. The car is not just a machine, it's a co-pilot. Step inside, and the U7 transports you to a world of first-class luxury. Whether you choose the spacious 5-seat configuration or the ultra-exclusive 4-seat flagship version, every surface is crafted with meticulous attention to detail. A fully digital cockpit puts all control at your fingertips, blending cutting-edge technology with timeless comfort. This is a sanctuary designed for both the driver and the passenger. For decades, the luxury sedan market has been dominated by a few established names. The Yanhuang U7 is here to shatter that status quo. It doesn't just compete with the German titans, it aims to redefine the entire segment. It offers more power, more technology, and a bold new vision for what a flagship vehicle can be. The BYD Yanhuang U7 is more than just a car. It's a technological masterpiece, a design icon, and a declaration of a new era in automotive excellence. It proves that the future of luxury is not just electric, it's intelligent, it's exhilarating, and it's here, now.